At BP, quoting is at the heart of our commercial operations. Every deal involves complex products and pricing that needs to be updated quickly and accurately within Salesforce CPQ. As our quoting complexity grew, the standard CPQ interface couldn't keep up. With hundreds of line items, simple changes meant long sessions of clicking and waiting. We started using Excel for bulk edits, but that introduced errors and extra work. We needed a way to keep the speed of Excel without losing the accuracy and structure of Salesforce. Valorx Fusion gave us an Excel-like grid inside Salesforce. We can update hundreds of lines in seconds using familiar formulas and bulk actions. With a single save, everything syncs back to Salesforce accurately. The impact was significant. Quoting time improved by 70%, data quality went up, and our teams collaborate smoother in Salesforce. Valorx Fusion gave us the best of both worlds, Excel's speed and Salesforce's reliability. It's now our go-to quoting workspace.